Hi everyone. So I didn't think I'd be doing a cooking video for this bundle, but this one little recipe kind of inspired me, and I shared it in my last recipe highlights video. It's the crumble that has the banana topping. So I want to show it to you today, and it's really so simple and really just needs a few ingredients. I'm gonna lower my camera so you guys can see what I'm doing here now. Let's try and do this like a professional. Good luck. So all I'm doing now is mashing the banana. Truly, I don't know why I haven't thought of this before, because I do a lot with mashed and pureed bananas and oats. And you know, my banana oat bundles are basically pureed bananas and oats and some seasonings and baked up in little rounds. So it's kind of that idea, but you're mashing the banana. Oh my goodness, the cat's coming in. He might get angry. He's such a bossy bum. Love him, but he's a real bossy bum. And now I'm just adding the oats. And guys, here's the thing. When I cook myself now, I rarely measure. I do to create recipes for you, but I'm just going to be throwing the oats in here because I know roughly how much it is, and that's what I'm doing. There we go. That's how we roll. So you just work that through, and the bananas add this natural sweetness. That's really enough. I mean, of course, if you wanted to add a little bit more, you could. Oh, there he goes. What I like to add is a little bit of vanilla, and I'm going to add that to the base, but I'm going to show you that in a moment. And you know, a lot of people don't like to use salt. I like a pinch, just a pinch. It really heightens that sweetness. So I don't have my salt here. I have only the coarse, but I'm just going to add a pinch of that and grind it in my fingers. There we go. You know, we have these kitchen tools attached to our arms. Good. And then the base, now you can really do anything you want. The recipe does show blueberries, and she puts a protein powder in here. I don't use protein powders a lot. And I didn't want to in this. So all I'm doing is the blueberries, and I'm adding a splash of vanilla because that will again add a little bit of flavor and just a little something extra. And then I'm going to put just a pinch of salt in there as well, because that helps draw out the liquid and adds to the sweetness. Or I should say, it doesn't add to the sweetness, it brings it out on the palate. Good. And then we just top that. Look at this. Boom, done. Look how pro I am. But this is the kind of thing you can make any time. I feel like I want more toppings, so I might add a little bit more. I think I'm going to do one more banana and just add a bit more oats. Yeah, why not? I'll do that after I've paused the video because I want to get this in the oven and show you how it looks when it's done. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to add a little bit more topping, get it in the oven, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished crumble out of the oven. But I forgot to mention a couple of things, and I want to do that now before I show you. So the ebook is by author Nisha Melvani. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, and it's called Recipes to Boost Lifespan Cooking for Peanuts. So a couple of things in this ebook that are neat is she highlights ingredients that are associated with longevity. And at the end of the ebook, she gives the nutritional breakdowns for the dishes that she does in the ebook, which is a really nice perk. So now I'm going to show you the crumble, and I didn't add the walnuts to this particular version that I did. That's the only thing that's kind of different. Well, I didn't add the protein powder either, but here it is. Look at that. It smells so good. Like, I mean, I like bananas anyways, and I really like overripe bananas. So that flavor of baked bananas really appeals to me. Just gonna lower this and show it to you. Again, pro moment here. Here we go. So you can see the topping, it's not like a traditional crumble, but it sure is nice. And the blueberries are baked underneath. And take a look at that. A little closer. There we go. Really good. That's hot. It's hot, but it's yummy. This is so good. With like a little dollop of non-dairy yogurt. Of course, a little dollop of ice cream. My preferences for sweets has really changed over the past year doing my fascia work. I was just chatting with a member about this in email. I used to really love sweet sweets, and now I really love naturally sweet sweets. It's like my palate has changed because as you change the energy in your body, things start to change. So that's another note, but really good. Try it out. Get the ebook out of the bundle. Available until I think it's September 6th, so it's only another couple of days depending on when I get this video up. So go get it. There's going to be a ton in there for you to enjoy, and I hope you love this one. Okay, we'll see you.